How to add a text over an image on Wix? You can do it by the three ways. The first one is you want to prepare the image that you want to have the text over it. And then after that, you want to click on Add Elements right here with the plus button sign. And then you want to go to Interactive right here. And then on the boxes, you want to choose on Hover Boxes. And you can just choose any of this. It doesn't really matter. And after you click one of them, you want to customize it right here and make sure the size of the hover is the same size of your image right here. And then after that, you want to click on the hover image and then you want to choose on regular right here. And on regular, you want to select the image of it, of the template, and you want to click on delete. And then after that, you want to click your image that you want to make a text over it. And then you want to drag and to the hover box until that was a word say attached to box. You can just unhold it. And then after that, you want to click on hover right here. And after you choose on hover, you want to choose this text and delete it. And then you want to choose on add to hover and choose on text and choose on one of them. For example, I want to choose this one. And you can just type in your text right here. Also, you can customize it to make it italic or underline, and you can also change the color of it. For example, I want to make it this one so it can read. And then after that, you want to make sure that on regular image, there are no other than your image. For example, this one, you want to delete it. And you can just go to preview the website. And when you hover your cursor on the image, the word will appear on it. There you go. And then the second way to add the text over an image, what you want to do is you want to add section to have some blank space for it. And then you want to go to your top left of your screen and then choose on add section right here. And then right here, for example, on welcome, you want to choose any of the template that have image and text at the same time. For example, this one. You just want to click on it. And then right here, you can also adjust your text to be on top of the image. And just like that, you can just customize your text. And to customize your image, you want to click the image and then choose on change background right here. And then tap on image. And then you can change to any image that you like and choose to change background right here at the bottom right of your screen. And there you go. And the third way to do it is you want to upload the image by clicking this add elements and then tap on image and then tap on upload image right here and upload it from your computer, or you can just upload it from your Wix site. For example, this one, just click on add to page after you choose your image. And then after that, you want to click again on add elements and then choose text and then just choose any text that you like. And there you go. There will be a word over an image. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.